So I've got the new Ego PS1000E telescopic pole pruner. We got 3 bits of kit. We're going to whack it together, give it a good test and see what it's all about.
Tested by Machinery Nation.
So Ego don't do anything by halves. The total length of this machine is 4 meters. That is huge, but it doesn't feel heavy because you've got carbon fiber shafts and it's telescopic. So what makes this a little bit different to the competitors on the market is this is telescopic, but it's also collapsible. So what we can do is we can break this down into 3 fundamental parts. So firstly, we'll come up this end and we'll take the motor unit off with the bar and chain, the business end as such. So we'll take that one out. We'll then work our way down. We've got the extension shaft, which again, carbon fiber, really, really light. And then we've got the motor unit, which is in its collapsible state at the moment, but also can be extended. So really nice and easy to store, and also for professional users running around in trucks and vans and such like, it's nice that it can all be collapsible. So we're down at the business end, the motor unit which drives the chain. Now this machine is fitted with a 1/4 inch Pico chain, so it's really, really fine. It will give you a really nice cut speed. That cut speed is 20 meters per second. Another key feature you got with this one is the quick chain tensioning assembly. Now Ego have actually put this assembly on a lot of their newer chainsaws, so it's nice and easy to swap the chains over. When you come back to it, you don't need a tool to tension it. Literally, it's as simple as turning the knob and it will do it up as tight as it needs to be. So Ego fitted a light assembly to the motor. And just remember, the light is an indicator as to where you're cutting. It is in line with the guide bar to light up those dark areas in the canopy. So you've got self-lubricating chain, and as you can see, the visibility on the chain reservoir is really, really clear. So the other big thing with this, like the PPCX, there's electrical connections that run through the shaft. This means it's easy to connect up, and you've got no lack of power from drive shafts going to the motor. So working our way down the tool, we come to the telescopic part. You've got a quick, easy catch, so it means you can extend it by up to 60 centimeters. And coming down to the trigger end, we're going to use a 4 amp hour battery today. Same with a lot of the other Ego tools, you just slip the battery in and it clicks into place like so. Being that we're using the 4 amp hour battery, we're not going to compromise on the run time, and also we're going to keep weight down to a minimum as well. You've got a nice soft grip handle with 2-stage trigger. So one thing that is really noticeable, even before you use the machine, is picking it up and seeing how light it is. I've got the battery in here, is already at 4 meters in length, and it actually feels really, really good in the hand. Now we've got some dead wood down in the woods, we've got some ash, and we've got some limbs that we're gonna take down. So we're gonna put it through its paces and see if it's as good as the PPCX in the range currently. And just remember, this is part of the professional range, so it comes with 2-year pro warranty. So there we go, that's the new Ego PS1000E. It's the new telescopic pole pruner from Ego on the professional basis. It's lightweight, it's powerful, and it ticks all the right boxes. Check out the rest of the Ego tools on the Ego Power Plus website, or go into your local dealer to view them. Remember, we're Machinery Nation, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!